last. You got it all on tap.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tamara's Hair Care, and if you are new here, my name is Tamara Henderson and welcome to my channel. So guys, as you guys know that I braid my hair. I braid my hair for 1 week now, and today I'm going to show you guys my nighttime routine when I am wearing braids. I hope you guys seen that tutorial. I wouldn't say tutorial. If you guys are interested in the video of when I was getting my hair braided, the link will be in my description below, so you guys can go ahead and check that out to see how I got my hair style. My best friend Natisha did it for me. It's amazing. Let me show you guys what it looked like if you haven't seen it as yet. So this is the back. It is like super neat, and so far I've gotten so many compliments. Like at first I was kind of worried about the style because the front goes back, and whenever my hair go back I kind of look like a boy. So I was kind of like really worried, how is it going to look on me with a style going back? But so far I've been getting, like, I got so many compliments and I really love it actually. And I got some beads at the ends. But the funny thing is, my daughter, she will play with the beads and then she will just like rip them off. So a few of my braids doesn't have any beads, like this one and this one, and it's only been 1 week. So I don't know if by the time I'm ready to take down my braids, if I'm gonna have any beads left. So today I am going to show you guys how I maintain my hair while wearing braids to keep it neat. It has been 1 week, as I told you guys, so you guys can keep it neat. And I also oil my scalp with my growth oil to make sure my scalp is getting some nutrients, so it can promote healthier new growth and my hair can grow. All right, so I made a new batch of aloe vera and rosemary growth oil, and I use it since I cornrow my hair. Since I braided my hair, I used it once on my scalp, but I'm going to show you guys my nighttime routine. I don't use this every night, but I'm going to start using it a little more often because I just got my hair braided and I did already oil the scalp, so I didn't tend to do it. I didn't do it like a lot. So now my braids is 1 week old. I'm going to start using growth oil on my hair more often. So let me show you guys something. My daughter think my hair is her play toy or her play sanctuary. I don't know, but you see this right here? See if I can turn to the side. It's supposed to be right here, but it's right here. And you know what happened to it? I have no hair right here. My daughter, she grabbed it and she just ripped it backward, and I just felt my hair go grrps. I'm like, child. But anyways, we are going to work on this patch to make sure by the time I take my braids out, I have some hair in it. So it's like bald basically, because she ripped out the entire thing from the root. So we're going to work on that little area right here. So I will give you guys update what it looks like after I take my braids out with after using my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil. So tonight I'm going to oil my scalp, and I'm just going to use, if you guys want to know how I make this oil, you guys can check my description. I have a DIY video how I make it at home, so I will put the link down below so you guys can go check it out. So if you're interested in making your own aloe vera and rosemary growth oil. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna use this on my scalp like every other night. Let's make sure my little bald spot get oil. So guys, since I'm wearing my braids now, I need you guys to, so you guys are gonna see my hair. I'm gonna wear this braid. I'm gonna wear this for maybe a month or a little over a month. So I need you guys to send in some video ideas that I could sit down, like sit down videos I could sit down and talk to you guys. So just send in some video ideas what you guys would like to see or know about my hair care journey since I started it maybe 5 years ago. Okay, thank you guys. Maybe like things I do to my hair, things I don't do to my hair and stuff like that. Yeah, just send in your video request that I could sit down and talk to you guys, because I like to do sit down videos too and give you guys whatever knowledge I have or whatever I learn about hair care, especially relaxed hair, because that's what I've been relaxed since I would say, I think it was 14 and now I'm 30 and I've been relaxed since I was 14, 13, 14, one of them, and I never went back. So I must be doing something right. And I started my hair care journey like maybe a little over 5 years now. I'm making sure all my scalp get oil around the back as well. And then I use I'll put the oil on my scalp, then I will use my hand to pass through it to make sure I spread the oil. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. Gentle as possible, because at the same time you don't want to mess up your braids. Make sure you be as gentle as possible. Okay, so now that I finished oil my scalp, I like to put these behind my ears so that it doesn't annoy me while sleeping. So I'll do that. I have this satin head tie that I will use to keep my hair neat and tidy. So you know, like when you're sleeping and you just rub your hair, like you rub all over the bed. I don't want to mess up my braids. I want the braids to stay as neat as possible for as long as possible. So what I do, I get this. You can use you don't have to use this specific one. You can also use like a scarf and it does the same thing. And I just tie my hair down, and I turn it on the satin side. It's like I turn it inside out, so the inside is out and the outside is in, so I can keep that moisture, the oil that I just applied to my scalp, in. So I just tie my hair down with this, and this will help to keep my hair in place no matter how I twist and turn while sleeping. And then I'm going to use this satin bonnet that I bought on Amazon. It's for braids, so it's like this, and then it has the length to hold in the braids, and put it on my head. This is like, you could sleep like this with just this, but to keep my braids intact, I feel like this is really good when you're wearing braids, so it doesn't rub on your skin, because we all know how annoying it can be when you're wearing braids and it's rubbing on your skin. It gives you that itchy feeling on your skin. So I just tuck it all in, drop it down there, and then I just put it on my head like this, and then all my braids is protected in here, so my braid keeps neat. Or should I say, how would you say it? Like, it keeps neat, or it stay neat? It stay neat. And yeah, so even if I do not oil my hair every night, I still do this step every single night. I still tie it down and put my bonnet on and go to bed, because I feel like it's safer and my hair will stay like neat longer, and then it won't like annoy me while I'm sleeping, because we all know how annoying braids can be, okay, when you're sleeping. So anyway guys, this is the end of my nighttime routine when wearing braids. It doesn't matter what kind of braids, box braids, cornrows, as long as it has the length, I'll be wearing this bonnet, okay? And I was trying to see if I can find a link on Amazon for this bonnet and put it in my description below if any of you guys are interested. All right, so remember guys, please send in some video requests that I could sit down and talk to you guys. Since I'm wearing braids now, I won't be like doing anything with my hair crazy, so I just need some video ideas what you guys would like to know while I'm on my hair care journey, before my hair got damaged, or during my hair got damaged, or after my hair got damaged. Whatever question you have, send in some question. Oh yeah, maybe we can do like a Q&A, hair care Q&A. So send in some questions and we can sit down and talk, or whatever it is. So yeah, so that is it for tonight guys. This is the end of my video, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.